Okay, hello. Welcome my viewers once again to my YouTube channel. All right, so today I'll be explaining to us about how to get into teaching in the UK. I know a lot of people have probably must have heard about it, and some people don't actually know how to go about it. All right, we have a lot of teachers. I just wish I'm a teacher. All right, we have a lot of teachers in Nigeria, all right, who don't know that such opportunity exists. So today I want to bring it to our notice and give us the direction on how we can make the application. The UK government needs teachers to come into UK. A lot of us, a lot of people, some people who live in the UK, if they want to actually tell you the truth, of course, they will tell you that UK actually lack teachers, especially in primary and secondary schools. All right. So this information is what a lot of people are not aware of. All right. Many people migrate to the UK, through the study route, and they apply for various courses that at the end of the day getting jobs becomes very difficult for them. All right. So but with this route, all right, once you're able to get into this and apply, of course, once you are done, getting a job will not be a difficult task for you, because most of the trainings you have is already in the classroom. That's so let's get into it and see how it works. Okay, so let's get into it. So for you to apply for teaching in UK, you need to, a lot of people don't actually know how to start and how to get the URL or the website where you can apply from. But here I'm trying to show you. So if you don't have the direct URL, you can just do a Google search. You can type in Google search "get into teaching UK" and it will bring these results to you. Then you can click on get into teaching. That's the first one. So once you click on that, it would open this page for you. Get into teaching, how to become a teacher, train to be a teacher. Then you can scroll down. You can scroll to see some other things on the on this page. Then you click on how to become a teacher. So once you click on this page, how to become a teacher, it will open this page for you, right? You scroll down, you check non-UK citizens, find out more. You just read all those things, understand funding, consider getting experience, find a postgraduate teacher training course, apply for teacher training. All right, start your teacher training. So these, I'm just scrolling for you to see what you have on this page. A lot of things you can read very well, because the problem some people have is they do certain things without having proper knowledge of what they are doing. So you scroll and click on apply for postgraduate, it brings you to this page, right? So but before you apply, you would need to create an account. All right, then click on start now. So once you click on start now, bring it here. All right, hide cookies, click on accept cookie, then create a gov.uk one login or sign in. So for you to create this, you need to have either you receive code or via your authentication app, right? So because I've actually created an account and I've registered and all of that. So the only thing I need to do here is to sign in. But if you've not done that, just click on create your gov UK one login. So but I want to sign in. So here I put your email address, put the password, then it will ask you for the 6-digit security code shown on your authenticator app. So that authenticator app, you need to download it on your mobile device, right? So now I've gotten my authenticator app. You need to input the code and click continue. So once you click on continue, it would bring you to this page, your application. So I'm getting to this page because I have already registered and had some applications. So for me to apply now, all I need to do is just to search for a course and just add application, right? But I'll still show you how to select your courses, the teacher training courses that they have on this application, right? So this is add application. Then which course do you want to apply? You don't know, then no need to find a course. Okay. Yeah, so find teacher training courses in England. So here, you don't know the particular course you want to apply for. So you can scroll down and see the list of courses they have. You can teach English, chemistry, mathematics, business studies, a lot of them. So as you search for courses, you have 1,110 courses found. But you can as well apply filters. Applying filters mean, to streamline and get the actual courses you may want, right? So these are the filters we have. Show only courses via visa, only courses with visa sponsorship, because they still have some that are not for visa sponsorship. So where do you want to teach? Do you want to teach primary or secondary? This is for primary education, or you want to also go for secondary. The options are there for you, so you apply the filters, right? Yeah. Then, because for this course, these are basically meant for teachers, people who are already teachers in Nigeria. But if you are not a teacher, you can still apply if you be able to, on your personal statement, prove that you have good experience in teaching. All right. So qualification award. So after the training, the postgraduate training, you are going to get this QTS with PGCE or PGDE qualification. So this is the qualification that qualifies you to teach in the UK. So after this training, you are going to be awarded with that certificate. Then you also select the what you graduated with, whether first class, 2-2, 2-1, whatever. Then they also have teaching apprenticeship with salary. All right, but that one is very difficult to find, especially for international applicants. But you can select, but most of the times when you tick that option, you find out that you have no courses found. Yeah, so it's because we ticked the one for teaching apprenticeship with salary. So we need to uncheck that and filter again, so you'll be able to find some courses. So you can see you have 135 courses found. So out of this, you now have to select which one, because this is a postgraduate study, all right, but in teaching. And one good thing about this route is that once you are done, you are going into the classroom, you have automatically been employed. It's not like ordinary master's program that after the master's you now start moving around looking for who to employ you and all of that. Because this one, as you are having the training, part of the training you have is already in the classroom. All right. So I just selected a course now, because from the list of courses they have, you just select one course. Now I have this guy, my dashboard here this way, because so this is the fee, for what's it called, for international students. You're paying about £15 thereabout. All right, so you selected a course. Do you want to apply for this course? Yes, continue. So I have this application dashboard here because I have already registered. I have created my personal statement. I have created my profile, right? Because before you be able to apply, you have to create all your profile, so that once you want to apply, all you need to do is just to click on review application and click on the apply button. All right, so you as a first timer, you need to create all these things. So towards the end of this video, I'm going to show you where you would create these things, right? So this one is no agent is going to do it for you. You do it by yourself. You know what you are doing, right? You upload your qualifications and everything. So there's nothing like fake in it. So you have not included your UK NIC reference number. So this UK NIC reference number is not a must that you apply with it. So you just click on continue without adding a UK NIC number. So probably by the time you're being admitted or something, they will now request for it. Now confirm and submit application. So that is just it, application submitted. So it's very easy for me to apply like this because I've already created my profiles and everything. All right, so on these applications, right, this is where I have all the courses I've applied for. You can continue to check some other details, right? And on your details here, all right, so this is where we have, this is my personal information, my contact information. So as a first timer, these are the things you need to fill. All right, so whichever one you you complete it to show completed. Until you complete all these things, you will not be able to make any application. So it's not something that you just do on the fly. You have to calm down, you have to gather your credentials and do all these things. So when you've done this, you can now click on that add application, below. So this is just how, as a teacher, you can apply, from Nigeria. So you can see that course that we applied. That is it. So that is how it is. If you are a teacher or you want to apply to be a teacher, you can go through this route.